We always start all our sessions with positive focus because it gets your mind into a creative state. The reason I get you to do this is that being self-critical is not as helpful as we have been trained to believe. Okay, so I'm not suggesting that we don't notice the problems, but let me explain something. So often people will go, I'm just being realistic when they're self-critical, right? But when you're being self-critical, what you are doing is you're thinking about what hasn't happened. So I haven't done this, I haven't done that, I haven't got this, I haven't got that, I've not been able to do this, I've not been able to do that. So in other words, being self-critical is about what hasn't happened. In other words, things that aren't real. The wins, the things that have happened, that is real, right? I have learnt Reaper. I have done this. I have done that. So which is more realistic? Now, also, we could say, what are the problems in what we have done too? Yes, that's also realistic, right? But being realistic is noticing what has happened. And some of what has happened is good, always, in every situation. Read Man's Search for Meaning if you don't believe me. And this isn't a nice to do, this is a must do, all right? Because it's been proved time and again that by actually focusing on the gain, where you've won, you are in a much better state to make better music, make better decisions, and everything else. It just opens up the mind. So that's why we do it.